Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of Yamaha versus Honda. Watch until the end to know our final verdict on which generator is better. So, the main difference between the Yamaha and Honda generators is their maintenance. Yamaha generators are especially easy to maintain, as they only require their head to be cleaned after 300 hours of use. Better yet, the generator could be cleaned once a year. Honda, on the other hand, recommends an extensive combustion chamber cleaning, which must be carried out after 300 hours of use. Efficiency. Both the Yamaha and Honda generators come equipped with huge fuel tanks, with more than 4 liters of capacity. Thus, at full load, users should expect to get up to 4.2 hours of runtime from the Yamaha, and a minimal of 4 hours from Honda. When it comes to efficiency, it's been established that Yamaha will give you up to 80 watts for every kilogram, whereas a Honda generator will offer up to 77 watts per kilogram. From this information, we can see that Yamaha generators come out as the more efficient unit. Noise levels. When compared to the various 2000-watt inverter generators on the market, you can tell that both Honda and Yamaha generators offer a quieter operation. Thus, with the advent of the state-of-the-art noise reduction technology, specific Yamaha generators have been proven to offer a super quiet operation at 51.5 decibels. Honda generators, on the other hand, are louder when compared to Yamaha and offer up to 54 decibels. Generator size. Yamaha is a more compact generator when compared to the Honda generator. Specific models of the Yamaha generators have been determined to measure 490 by 280 by 445 millimeters, which is less bulky than the Honda, which measures 510 by 290 by 425 millimeters. If therefore you're looking for a generator that can comfortably fit in small spaces, then the Yamaha generator is the better unit. Fuel shutoff switch. Specific models of the Yamaha generators come equipped with a fuel shutoff switch, which has been separated from the on-off switch. The above feature enables the fuel line to be shut off when the generator is still running. The advantage of this feature is that the remaining fuel can be drained from the carburetor before storing the generator. Honda generators do not have this feature, so you'll find that the on-off switch and the fuel tap incorporated in a single switch makes it harder to power up the Honda generator after staying in storage for a while. Because of this, the Yamaha generator is the better option, as it's easy to power up after staying in storage for a long time. Extra features. The Yamaha generator comes equipped with an extra feature in the form of DC battery cables, which are included as standard. Some of the Honda generator models don't come equipped with this feature, specifically the Honda EU20i. The Yamaha model that comes equipped with the DC battery cables is the EF2000i model. Thus, if you're looking for a generator with the extra feature, then the Yamaha generator will do. Portable design. The most portable Yamaha generator has been established to weigh 30 pounds, while its heaviest model weighs up to 650 pounds. A diesel-powered commercial stationary generator. Individuals who opt for the hand-carried generators should be able to find generators that weigh less than 75 pounds. Moving over to the Honda generators, you'll notice that the lightweight generators have a very slight difference from Yamaha. However, when you move to the bigger generator models, you'll notice that the Honda generators are way heavier. For example, the Yamaha EF7200E weighs about 205 pounds, whereas the Honda EU700IS weighs up to 260 pounds. Similarities. Both the Yamaha and the Honda 2000-watt generator feature the inverter technology, known to produce pure sine wave power output, which is suitable when used with sensitive electrical equipment. Both brands produce portable generators in the lightweight category, but slightly heavier generators come from Honda in the heavyweight category. Both generators retail at almost the same price, with a very small difference. And what's more, both Honda and Yamaha offer an impressive 48-month warranty, which is backed by a national accredited service network. Verdict. So which is better? While both generators offer the best in features and technology, Yamaha remains the best in the market. It's much quieter, lighter, and highly fuel efficient. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. And let us know which other comparisons you would like to see next from us.